Hi friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Mal if you're new here, and we are doing a wig review. Oh my god, can you even tell that this is a wig? I bet not. This looks damn good. This is from LUVME, and this is their braided unit, and I can't wait to show you this install and this review because I'm feeling myself. So let's just get into it. Today we are trying the Flexi-Fit Invisi Drawstring Cap Full Lace Knotless Boho Curls Braided Wig. It's long, super natural scalp, available in the US only. I'm literally reading the name of this wig so I can make sure I get all those keywords in there. But yeah, this is a bomb unit. I opted for the one with salon level quality braids, and this did come with uncut HD lace, and the lace on this is chef's kiss. Literally, it's so good. This is a 26-inch unit, and I love her. Y'all, I didn't even put any lace melt. I just put my hairspray. That's it to do this unit. It looks so freaking good. Like, it's literally giving scalp all throughout the unit. It's giving scalp. This does feature that grown from scalp look, and it also has soft, neat parts. I love the neat parts. I think they look super clean. This has flatter roots for more of that like knotless braided style, which I personally love. That's my preference, and the density of this unit is 150%. It only comes in 150, and I think 150 is more than enough. No, this is not a glueless unit. You will need to do some sort of hairspray or glue method, but that's why it's giving, okay? So don't be lazy with it. You can definitely still use the lace tape. This actually came with the unit, so if you don't feel like putting glue, you could try doing this. I've never actually done this really and had success with it, so I always do some sort of hairspray, but I'm going to show you how I do it with Got To Be hairspray, which I feel like is the easiest and quickest. Let's just go ahead and get started with this install, starting with my bald cap. I already did this off camera, and I have my unit here. Let's take a look at the detailed specs of the unit because she is so gorgeous. This is blended human hair with synthetic braids. So you're getting the pieces that are hanging out, the boho pieces are human hair, and the braids themselves are synthetic. I do wish that it was full human hair, but I guess that doesn't really matter because it's braids. It's not like I'm going to go through and untwist this and straighten it or anything like that. But you know, I would like it to be all human hair. I think it's just more comfortable. Synthetic hair can sometimes feel a little bit like scratchy, if that makes sense. You know, just like when it rubs against your back and stuff. So I would just, yeah, I would love all human hair, but hey, listen, it's an affordable unit. If it was all human hair, this would be like hundreds and hundreds more dollars. So for the price point, I think this is really good. I do also have a discount code in the description bar that's going to save you like more than 30% off. So go ahead and add that to your purchases from LUVME if you want an extra discount. And I don't get anything back from that. That's just for you guys. But please do use my links because it does help my channel when you use my links. Okay. Okay, so I just finished laying this down, and honestly, this looks really, 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 really good. I'm shocked. I want to take off this lipstick now. It's bothering me. I've had a lot of wigs from LUVME, from other companies as well, and this lace is giving that. Like, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Not every wig that you get from the same company is going to have the same quality, if that makes sense. I think they really put a higher quality lace on this wig because it's, you know, it has to give scalp. Like, there's no way you could do a braided look without it having that scalp look. So I'm really loving this. I didn't do any lace melt. I didn't do any mousse, nothing. This is just hairspray. Imagine if you laid this with glue, like a really good glue. You could wear this all vacation and it would look so good. I'm not really going anywhere. We are going on a vacation soon, like a little staycation vacation kind of thing. So I was thinking about wearing this wig for that, but because it's like just, you know, chill vibes, I feel like I'm just gonna want to like have my hair breathing. I'm gonna want to have my curly hair out and just like enjoy the sun, you know what I mean? So that's why I decided not to. And I'll be honest, I don't miss the baby hairs. I thought I was really gonna miss them, but I think it looks really good because the braids look so clean. I don't think we really need it. By the way, this is my go-to summer kind of like no makeup look. I'm adding a little bit of foundation today. This is the Face and Body foundation from MAC. This is one of my favorite foundations ever. If you want just like a really light glowy coverage, go buy this stuff. It's so slept on. It's actually waterproof and it's really pretty. It gives the most gorgeous glow. Super lightweight and it's long wearing. It just makes the skin look so healthy, and what I love about it is you can use it on your body too. So if you wanted to like glow your chest, put it on your legs, anywhere that you want, like it just gives a really light coverage just to like make the skin look fresh. I'm not really gonna do much makeup. I'm just gonna do like a little something. Okay, so we need to talk about the Invisi drawstring at the back because that is really cool. I've never actually had a unit that has this before. And I was actually wondering to myself, I'm like, how am I gonna lay the back down? I think it looks so ridiculous when the back of your wig is like flapping up. I've seen like, you know, when the girls do the high bun with a full lace unit and then the back just starts flapping and flowing in the wind. It looks crazy. So I was worried about that, but this feels really nice and secure. I'm gonna try to show you what it looks like. I didn't tighten it fully. I can tighten it a lot more, but honestly, I'm gonna wear my hair down and I just kind of want to be comfy. I'm back and I fixed up my makeup a little bit. Okay, so I am really feeling how my hair looks. I can't believe that this is a wig. I honestly was gonna get my hair braided this summer, but like now I don't need to. And if you really think about it, I feel like this is girl math, but I'm actually saving money and time, which means that I'm saving more money. Oh my gosh. So by spending money on a wig like this, I'm actually saving hundreds of dollars because I can reuse this style anytime I want, and I'm not having to sit in a chair for like 6-7 hours to get my hair done. Win-win, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and put some mousse in this just to kind of like accentuate these boho braids. And I would regularly wear this kind of like tousled over, I think, like a little bit to the side. Let's go ahead and put some mousse in this front section here. I've gotten braids done in the past and I felt like it gets so uncomfortable and heavy and it actually kind of hurts my neck when I'm sleeping. So I must say, like, this is a really nice option because I don't have to worry about any of that. Like, when I get sick of the style, I can just take it off. Also, gosh, I'm so indecisive. I'm not one of those people who can stick with a hairstyle for like a month or two. So having braids, as much as I love them, I always want to take them out after like 3 weeks. Let me show you how the parting looks all over my head so that you can see how it's really giving. Cause like, it's giving scalp. So cute. I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed with this. I just think it's so adorable. Going for those extra little somethings like the salon level braids and the HD uncut lace are necessary to get this look. So just warning you, but honestly, it's still affordable. It's such good quality. I really like this unit. So definitely check it out. What do you guys think? Do you like braids on me? I'm gonna make a whole bunch of other content right now because I just think I look so cute. Shout out to LUVME and check out my discount codes in the description bar. If you're interested in purchasing anything from LUVME, you can save like up to 30% off, or even maybe more than 30%, I think, with my discount code, which is a huge savings. So go ahead and use that. Use the links in my description because it really helps me and it helps my channel. And thank you to LUVME for sponsoring today's video. I will see you guys in the next video very soon. And let me know if you have other wigs that you want me to review from LUVME because I'm on their site all the time. Bye.